Most Christians have had to live as minorities wherever they were. Most Christians have had to live as persecuted minorities wherever they were. Some Christians still live in that way, but it hasn't been so here. We've had the incredible privilege of living in this land, and I don't care what people say or how often they say it. This country is rooted, grounded, and shaped by biblical Christianity. That's why we are who we are. That's why the West is what it is. That's what Western civilization is. It's rooted and grounded in biblical Christianity. And it's been a tremendous blessing, unbelievable blessing, the way that the gospel has been able to prosper in our culture, the way that the gospel has shaped our culture. And if you don't believe that, just go somewhere else for just a little while.